A person who loves wisdom. Philosopher. A person who hates men. Misandrist. A person who hates women. Misogynist. A person who loves luxury and pleasure. Hedonist. A person who is famous for something bad. Notorious. A person who expects the worst. Pessimist. A person who loves himself too much. Narcissist. A person who looks at the bright side of things. Optimist. A person who doubts everything. Skeptic. A person who loves animals. Zoologist. A person who studies plants. Botanist. A person who studies human society. Sociologist. A person who studies the mind. Psychologist. A person who does not eat or use any animal products. Vegan. A person who eats only plants. Vegetarian. A person who eats both plants and meat. Omnivore. A person who loves mankind. Philanthropist. A person who studies the earth. Geologist. A person who collects stamps. Philatelist. A person who collects coins. Numismatist. A person who cannot read or write. Illiterate. A person who believes in God. Theist. A person who does not believe in God. Atheist. A person who lives alone. Hermit. A person who studies stars and planets. Astronomer. A person who designs buildings. Architect. A person who writes books. Author. A person who hates mankind. Misanthrope. A person who speaks one language. Monolingual. A person who speaks two languages. Bilingual. A person who speaks three languages. Trilingual. A person who speaks many languages. Polyglot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.